down, Matt. Slow down. That's a big fish, and he just came back for it. Let me try the popper one more time, and then right there at that set of double boulders, he missed it the second time. Get in there and give it a go, because that was a big fish. If that's a smallmouth, that's a dandy. I was asleep at the wheel. I should have caught him the first time. Ah! 2 in a row there I've missed. Not that time. Look at that. Well, folks, welcome back to another video with Fly Fishing with Jeff.com. Here's my buddy Dwayne, and we just put in here, and my first cast, I had something big. Bigger than this one, but right there's our first smallie of the day. We got swans out on the river ahead of us, but we're on our way down 3 or 4 miles today. Let's try that again. I've got my 8 weight with a floating line and a popper, and then I've got my 7 weight with a streamer that I'll get out here in a little while. Let's try that little quiet spot back there. Ooh. Anyway, beautiful day here, about mid-May. Been dry, windy, hot. Woo. Someplace over in Minnesota 2 days ago hit 100. So that's hotter than ever. So we're looking for some smallmouth. And that was a good start. I like it when they're looking up at a popper. That means they'll take a streamer. And you have any hits at all there? That could have been the same fish, but I'm pretty sure that first one was significantly bigger than that. There we go. What do we have? Another smallmouth. All right. Take it. Easy now. Right in the top of the mouth. I've got another popper should you want to try one. Okay. Might be something to go to with this shallow water. I don't know what it is, but I gotta get, easy. I gotta get it away from these trees. Ah, shoot. Oh, it's a big pike. That's a big fella. Just burned the snot out of my hand. Easy now, I don't need you to lose my fly. Easy. Come on, let's see if we can get you undone here. Yeah. That's not bad. It's got to be 15, 20, 28. Okay. And away you go. There went my fly. Dang pike. That's the problem with flirting with death. Oh, there it is. He didn't get it. Let me get over there before he does. He definitely stripped it off. Yay! That was good. That was good. There we go. Right below that log. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful. Fudge! Well, piss. There goes my fly. This is gonna be you little bastard, you're not getting me. Smallmouth. Alright, I'll take it. Better smallmouth, at least it wasn't a pike. Easy now. Easy. He's not a 18, 20 incher, but he's a little 12-inch guy. Look at that beauty. Go grow up. Come back another time. Holy cow, what do we got? Come on, come on. That was a struggle. And another smallmouth. Oh, all right. There's a good smallmouth. There's a better one. Right. Easy now. I got much left of that fly. All right. He's a healthy one. Like it. Well, that's a wrap. Good day. Wow, bugs are awful.